Yo, what's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick little unboxing. This is from Culture Kings. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Culture Kings or ran across an ad. I actually worked with them recently on Instagram, and they sent me some stuff over. So first and foremost, wanted to give you my experience. I mean, the package came in this huge box, as you guys can see right here. Now, they have a lot of remade printed vintage tees. They work with tons of brands, bro. There's just so many reputable brands. I've been wanting to just see these tees for the longest time. They're like reprinted vintage tees. I just wanted to see the quality on them. Retail is $50. This is the training day tee. So just so you know, for reference, when I wear this tee, because I know people are gonna ask, because I would ask, I got it from Culture Kings, ended up getting a Denver Nugget tee. Yes, sir. What did I end up getting? All these, like size large, I believe. No, I got them in XL. I always go XL just in case, Got a Charlotte Hornets tee. Shout out to LaMelo Ball. Yes, sir. Michael Jordan. Yeah. I got this before he was drafted, but that's pretty cold. Which one is this? The Martin tee? Oh yeah. Got the MLK. Some Mitchell & Ness shorts. Man, do I love Mitchell & Ness shorts, bro. So I ended up getting a few different kinds. I'll just open these up. So these ones are white, and they are the Chicago Bulls. And they got pockets, yeah. This is a clean pair, yes sir. Ooh wee, I'm geeked for these, man. So you got the NBA Finals, 96, all white, yes. I got a lot of stuff, man. Got this vintage Bulls tee. Oh man, I'm gonna have to show you what all this stuff looks like on. Another pair of Mitchell & Ness shorts. Another pair of Mitchell & Ness shorts. This is the Lakers. You got like an iridescent logo. I got the Toronto Mitchell & Ness shorts. Boom. And last but not least, another pair of Mitchell & Ness shorts, Chicago in the gold. Yeah, I wanted to make this video just to show you guys my experience with Culture Kings. It was all good. They've been around for years, so you really have nothing to worry about. I personally see ads all the time on Instagram, so it was pretty cool that they reached out to me. And then on top of that, I just felt like I should show you guys, what you're working with. You got the branded box, and this came through EMS, and boom, everything turns out great. So let's try this stuff on, man. I want to show you guys real quick. These do run pretty big. I mean, Jesus. I'm not complaining. I ain't really tripping, because when it comes to like real vintage, when I try to go thrifting, I usually like to get my shirts bigger just for the sake of washing, drying, whatever, whatever it is. But this is what it looks like on, man. This is from GOAT CREW, I believe is what their name is, but this goes hard, bro. Like, sheesh. And it really does look like throwback. You even have the cracking on like just the details of it. Really looks vintage. Like you would think I found this at a thrift store. So I get where like people get mad about, oh, that's not real vintage. I don't really care. I just think it's more for the aesthetic and the style, and this goes hard, bro. Who doesn't love training day? So I just looked at the tag of that training day tee. It was actually a 2X, so that's why it fits so big. So I mean, an XL would have been solid. This is actually by Mitchell & Ness, and it is the Denver tee. This is $70. This is, again, Mitchell & Ness's version of kind of like that vintage, same little like really interesting washing that they have going on there. If we can get that to focus, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I had to support my Denver Nuggets. Well, this is an XL, this fits perfect. I honestly, after wearing that 2X, I kind of like that as far as the vintage look goes, but this is cool. One thing I wanted to say is a lot of people don't realize that I'm from Denver, and I don't understand. Like, people think I'm from LA or something. I don't know, maybe it's because I live there, but yeah, Denver represent, man. That's where I'm at. For the third tee, we got the Charlotte Hornets. This is also a Mitchell & Ness tee, and you can see fire, man. Man, I can't wait to pull off these flicks, man. If you don't follow me on Instagram right now, bruh, style done went all the way up. So again, this is probably around what, $70 for this tee too. Just fits great, man. Wow. I can dig it. Excellent. MLK real quick. Cool, you know, on the back you have, I have a dream. You know, we had to get this for the culture. Again, another tee that you could just get a nice little flick off. Yeah, yeah. Now, I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. Unfortunately, this is very fast fashion. I do believe in sustainable living, so I'm just gonna throw that out there, man. Always invest in clothing that saves our planet. I'm just gonna put that notice out there, but you know, at the same time, you gotta look a little something light, you feel me? They look cold, yeah. Not a one could be dry, look at no, I'm just playing, but on to the next tee. This, another Mitchell & Ness. But you know we had to do it for the one time, brethren, the champions. This just goes dumb. Let me give you some 4K action real quick. So what do we got on here? 91, 92, 93, 97, 96, 98. This is, I seriously love Mitchell & Ness. Like, it would be my dream to be able to work with them, man, because they have such amazing products. Like, no cap, man. Like, if I could ever turn a sneaker life into like a Mitchell & Ness, I would love, like, if anyone were to ask me, yo, Mike, what would you like to see a sneaker life in 10 years as far as like the brand side of things? I would love to be like a Mitchell & Ness, you know, just to have all these different drops and then the inside say like a sneaker life, you know what I'm saying? So that would be really cool. But I get all my Mitchell & Ness shorts in a size XL. You can even go large. Again, I'm 6'3", 200 pounds. These are just more comfortable for me. And not all Mitchell & Ness shorts actually have pockets, just so you know. I'll show you the shorts next. That's what we're gonna get into. For example, like these bad boys, they don't have pockets, which, oh shoot, they do have pockets, bro. What? Okay, maybe I was lying. Some Mitchell & Ness shorts really don't have pockets, so I don't know if that's a new thing that they've been doing, or do these all have pockets? Bro, if they do, it is lit. Yes, sir. They all have pockets, bro. Just ignore what I said. Maybe I'm wrong. All right, so here goes the shorts. These are the Toronto Raptors. Tough. Now, like I said, it all depends on how you want the fit to be. I like the XL. It's just a little more relaxing. I could have went with the large and it would have been straight, but I do like, they're just slightly above the knee. That's kind of a good look. And I mean, these shorts just last for so long. I'm gonna do a video of like an update of wearing them. I think I've had my pair for like a year or two, maybe even 3. And just, I really wear them, like no joke. So I wanted to just show you guys how they hold up and if they are worth it. Like I said, retail on these is like $120. So it is definitely an investment for sure, but they don't skimp you on the quality whatsoever. And it's just kind of a cool casual look, especially during the summer or the springtime. I even wear these just around the crib all the time. They just, I love them, man. They're just super comfortable and I think they look good at all times. And then here goes the iridescent look right here. Now, the shorts that they have right now are pretty limited, and I'm assuming it's just because of the change of seasons. Obviously, it's more wintertime, so there really wasn't too many options when it came to shorts. I just kind of picked the teams that I like and stuff that was kind of just goes to everything. So these are just all black. Again, you see what I'm saying with like the fit? You know, you could definitely go with a large, but you see like, this is that 90s look right here. That's a good look, man. On to the next pair. I also got the 2 pairs in white. So just all white shorts, and you just have the Lakers logo right there, which is just perfect, super simple. I don't want to bore you guys, but I mean, you kind of get the point of how they fit. This is the other pair I got, the gold with the Chicago Bulls. Super tough, man. I'm geeked for these, especially with them black and gold ones that just came out. You know we're gonna be drip god with them. We're gonna be matchy. And then I got these same shorts, but Chicago Bulls. Now, I would have got more Denver stuff if they would have had that, but if it came down to it, I'm definitely gonna go with the Bulls, Toronto, or you know, the Lakers for. So yeah, guys, that's my pickup and my experience with Culture Kings. I'll put the link down below so you guys can go check them out. But let me know if you've ever shopped with them and what was your favorite piece? What was your favorite tee and what were your favorite shorts? Let me know down below in the comments. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Run it.